Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's equal parts thrilling and chilling. How AI is changing the face of warfare. Picture this, a futuristic battlefield where AI-driven drones, autonomous vehicles and augmented reality systems are the norm. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. Let's kick things off with real-time surveillance. AI enhances our ability to monitor and gather intelligence on the battlefield. From identifying threats to tracking enemy movements, AI-powered systems can process vast amounts of data in seconds. Imagine the precision and speed that brings. Next up, autonomous weapons. Yeah, we're talking about drones that can make decisions on their own. These aren't just remote-controlled toys. They can identify targets and strike with pinpoint accuracy. It's both fascinating and a bit scary. Then there's logistics optimization. AI can streamline supply chains, ensuring that troops get what they need when they need it. No more waiting around for supplies to show up. AI makes sure everything is in place efficiently and effectively. And let's not forget predictive enemy simulations. AI can analyze patterns and predict enemy movements, giving military strategists a significant edge. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you your opponent's next move. Now let's compare this to traditional strategies. The difference is night and day. Traditional methods rely heavily on human intuition and experience, but AI brings precision, speed, and adaptability to the table. Enhanced decision-making, reduced risk to human lives, and robust cyber defense are just some of the benefits. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are serious ethical concerns we need to address. Who controls these AI systems? Who's responsible if something goes wrong? These debates are crucial as we move forward. So what's the verdict? Will AI in warfare save lives or raise the stakes? That's a question we all need to think about. Before you go, hit that like button if you found this video thought-provoking. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.